for today is web scripting using Python3.6, Beautifulsoup4 and Requests. So ordinarily, I'm supposed to put comma and maybe slash, Django or whatever. But the reason why we may not move much is because of time. But you will see a lot of people there online. The problem I have with my students is just like when we have like video, you see them having 500 video on tutorials on programming. But just ask them, how many have you watched? Or have you don't? So I take one feed and move ahead. And we advise you as a programmer. If you are taking Python, know where you are doing Python. Just pick one area so that you take more effort. If you want to go on web, if you ask Mr. Juice, like last 15, 10 years ago, there is nothing like all these things. You struggle to even get internet. So that is why I picked that topic that you said you can build yourself on web scripting because of what? Because data science is moving in the world. And you can bet me all of us have internet or just browse. Web scripting is part of a major course they are doing data science because it's not easy to get data and you want to work on data. So that is why I picked the topic. So 14 September, Python, Beautifulsoup4 and technology development and working for. Now, welcome to the second slide. I'm Olaniyan Adewale Web. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. In Nigeria, we don't used to learn. We just want to solve a problem. That is why we don't produce scholars in the environment. We just have people that just solve problem and go. They don't know how things work. So it's right time for us to do what? Tell me and I forget. Because if I tell you what to do now, you may forget. But teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. So if there is time, we involve each other. You understand? So that you can learn. So when we move to the topic, what is web scripting? Web scripting is a computer technique extracting information from websites. The technique mostly focuses on transmission of unstructured data from HTML format on the web to structured data. Do you understand? Any thing that is not related that I can provide? We all accept that HTML is unstructured data. It's very easy. Just open any site. Press source. You see it, everything looks unstructured. Why do we need web scripting? We need structured data. You understand? That is the purpose. So now we now ask web scripting or web harvesting. There are two words that you can use. Is it the use of gathering specific data from the website using both of web crawler that eliminate the action of the human when browsing the website using both or whatever. So the aim and objective of scripting is just like at the end of the day, you can achieve going to the Excel, CSV, or other desired formats you want. You understand? That is the purpose. You have to know at the back of your mind. That is the purpose. But the question is just like that, what about web crawler and web scripting? If you are not careful, you will not get it right. Do you know our search engine? Google is one of the, they are using calling technology. You understand? You store your information, you crawl it. If there is any issue with that one, please do that. So now, why? Most of the time, it's not necessary to stress yourself on scripting a site. It's not necessary. But sometimes coding is stress. It's not easy. 4 o'clock, you still code in the midnight or in the early in the morning. Every time, coding. So, but when there is API, application programming, interface. You don't need to stress yourself unless you just want to show your knowledge. So most of the companies or the prominent or the moving sites were like Amazon, eBay, calling them is a stress because they are already giving you what? API. All you have to know is how you interact with your API. You understand? Once you can interact with your API, you are free to go. Now, so when there is no API, you need to do what? To script. This is how the diagram looks like. So most of us, we go for e-commerce site. Because, let me give you an instance. In community, we can work as a community. Those are the things we have to do in Nigeria. We can come to maybe Saudi, have a project in the next 3 months. Let's work on it. See senior developer, explaining things to you how to work. Now, I want to do price comparison. I need a laptop. And I have like Jumia, second popular, Konga or Kara. Gigi is not part of it. Gigi is a classifier site. It's not e-commerce site. 3 of them, let's do 3 of them. I want to buy HP 530. Now, ordinarily what do I need to do? I have to open them one by one again to know what is going on. But you can write a code on your own that when you press HP 530, you will compare both price for you. Do you understand? You can even write a robot that in the next 5 minutes, when they are doing bonanza in Jumia, please alert me. So you don't want to be there. Just do something for me. It's like you put down there. So now, uses of web scripting. It's very important because of the time. For web mining, data mining, web index, because you don't have information, there is a lot of sites you can get information or data rather. But the truth of the matter is just like if they want to sell, if they are doing data, if they are a data science student, if they want to sell, but now you can generate data on your own. In the next 3 months, I want to know how many people are buying laptop from Jumia. Sorry if you are from Jumia. How many people are buying laptop from Kara? I want to know. Because it's not easy for you to monitor, so you have to design, you have to write your own code, put it on your server, but don't keep them. We come back to the issue of policy, issue of are they not going to sue me? You understand? If you have ethics, don't keep them. You will just give them 3 hours. You understand? Or 24 hours. They are comparison, changing detection or notification. Like stock exchange in Nigeria, you don't have any choice. It can change how many in a second. Anything can drop, anything can happen. So you as well can build an application that please help me to monitor it. You understand? If anything happens though, please alert me. And you design a very good platform for people to come and because people don't want to lose, you understand? So we can design such a platform, just straight from Nigerian stock exchange for the app. I will not don't tell anybody I'm the one that giving you courage. So those are the things you have to think about on what to do. Benefit of using Python. All programming language that we have, they can perform the same thing. I remember in 2009 or 2008, 2009, I was with Mr. Schultz. I designed one application. He now told me that he also designed a Python. I was before there, any other language. I told him that whatever you want to design, the stage I am in PHP, I know how to design it. The design is not like design my own. But he is a core programmer, so he doesn't understand GUI. Most of the programmers they don't like GUI. So me, I saw this GUI on it. So I just told him what you can do, my PHP can do. So I don't have any problem. So any language, if you're confident doing it, it's okay for you. My own philosophy is just like solve a problem. You don't understand. I say it is only work rate you know as a Nigerian. Solve a problem. Know how to solve a problem. But the reason why everybody is talking about Python is just like I will show you the event. Little is better than complex is not. All these things. It's very simple. And people have solved a lot of problems for you. So you don't need to rewrite to the code to understand. So any programming language can solve it. But the reason is just like the libraries are there, the integration feature, the improve programmer productivity. Because now you need. I was discussing with someone last week and I told him that I wanted to call him yesterday night that I beg I finished the application. I can't do that when I was writing PHP. But now Django has solved my problem because I've designed a lot of things. Just you have an application, no problem. Let me just copy and paste, do one while and finish your work. So I launch it, yes, no problem. This is great. You understand? Python is very easy for product end. So now you hear about Beautifulsoup. I mean, the truth of the matter is just like it's not only Beautifulsoup that can solve your problem when it comes to web scripting. You should understand a lot of things about technology. If you are writing Python now, you see different modules. You understand? That can solve your problem. But now we have the farm. It's just like request. What I mean by the farm is just like you can't do without this one. The string is what? Beautifulsoup. You understand? The salad is what? XML. So it's a plus. You understand? And the restaurant is what? Saying on in a situation whereby you go to like Conga now. We can't cover that one. You go to Conga now. They use jQuery. If you search for HTTP 530, if it is more than 20, you see another page. In that situation, for the advanced class, when you have to script, you have to use this module to script a JavaScript page for you that cannot open one. Then the shape is script. This is the father of all. Because of what is a framework. Do you understand framework? All other ones are what? They are modules. So framework is more advanced than what? So they are pulling this one. So if you want to develop a web application that is more robust, please go and use this one. Very fast than what? Very faster than what? Beautifulsoup. So now let's go by the next one is I finish this one. So Beautifulsoup, you can read more about it online. You see the magic. So if you look at this one now, how many lines of code? Just 3. Decide to come up. Your Python. You understand? Decide just come up. Now, I can design a site that is able to take the drive on my laptop. Save it in my present every 30 minutes. If the discount is more than 30%, allow me to I can buy that like this. You understand? Getting started, what are the requirements you need? The first thing you need is Python3.6. Please, I hate using old technology. Can use 2.7? For me, I people are doing now, I'm fast starting like that because I'm a lazy person. If they are using 3.10, now let me start from 3.10. I'm ready now. Why should I start using 3.01? No. For Python, the beauty is just like all these virtual environment, 2.7 you can't do without it. You can't do without it. Because there are some libraries that you can use that will give you very good results with 2.7. Beautifulsoup4 and Requests. Those are the 3 things you need. Optional, if you don't use Request, use this one. But Request is more popular than that. Installation, you can write it down. a very common thing for the new programmer. People install Beautifulsoup4, whatever. It's very easy. You can. Now, I'm very sorry, I can't take this from this laptop. Then what's next? Practical scripting, Nigeria, at least a.com, e-commerce using Beautifulsoup. I'm the owner of that e-commerce, like, but it's not, if you browse it, I don't want to put it on now, but it's not that. I designed it with Django, the full e-commerce site. We are just selling made in Nigerian products. So if you want to join us for the project, you can, but we won't give you money. Are you all using Python for free? Let's talk now. You say we are all using Python for free, and I called for a project for free. Thank you all. So far, let's go coding. Let's just try to